Now, I will solve problem number 1.235 for you. Let's read the problem statement. The force equal to AI cap plus BJ cap is applied to a point whose radius vector to origin of coordinate is equal to AI cap plus BJ cap, where AB and AB, small ab and capital AB are constant, Ij are unit vectors of x and y axis. Find moment n and arm length L for the force related to point O with respect to O. Now, let's try to understand the problem. We have got this coordinate axis xy, this origin O, this is some point P, and this is the radius vector of point P. This is A and this is B, and we have got some force F acting on it. Now, arm length. So, first of all, moment of force. Moment of force N is defined as R cross F. This moment of force N would be defined as, for R I will write AI cap plus BJ cap cross AI cap plus BJ cap. We know how to solve this. हम इसे डिटरमिनेंट्स के फॉर्म में लिख देंगे. I cap, J cap एंड K cap. R के लिए A, B 0 और फोर्स के लिए A, B 0. So, vector N would be this 0, K, AB minus BA into K cap. This is answer to the first part. The answer to the first part. This is moment of force or torque about origin. Moment of force or torque about origin. Now, they had asked arm length. Now, what do you mean by arm length? Arm length is at what distance the same force must be applied so that it would give the same torque. हम कहेंगे, in order to determine arm length, we'll say mod of force into arm length L must give us the same magnitude of torque. Mod of force is, this is under root of A square plus B square. Mod of force into arm length L must give us the same magnitude of torque. A, B, B, A. Here it seems it must be A. B into A. So, arm length L would be equal to AB minus BA upon under root of A square plus B square. this is the arm length, and these are the answers. This is the first answer, and this is the answer to the second part. Please note it down.